Inherited GIS data in EDR format and need to bring it into your modern mapping workflow? This legacy ESRI format requires specific handling. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through importing ArcInfo export files into current GIS systems. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the EDR error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. An EDR file is a GIS data file created by ESRI's ArcInfo software, used for exporting geographic information in a binary format. Users typically encounter this file when sharing or transferring map data, coverages, or grids between different GIS systems or versions of ESRI software, needing to preserve spatial attributes and topology. The EDR format is a binary proprietary structure designed by ESRI for efficient and compact storage of complex geospatial data. It encapsulates vector or raster information, including coordinates, attributes, and topological relationships, ensuring data integrity during export-import operations within the ArcInfo ecosystem, predating more open standards like the shapefile. We recommend using ArcGIS Pro by ESRI to ensure proper reading of EDR. Editing the file requires the specific proprietary environment not offered by Windows. Windows cannot visualize topology or geodata, so GIS software must handle these files. We're testing the system's interpretation of the file's data. Right-click the EDR file and click Open With. Test ArcGIS Pro first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right tool is key. If you still can't open the EDR file, it's okay. The fact that the file is stubborn means we need to look at 3 predictable errors. Here's a simple, short list of the common culprits and how to check them on your system. First, importing into ArcGIS. Use ArcGIS Pro or ArcMaps Import from Interchange File tool found in Arc Toolbox under Conversion Tools, then to Coverage. Specify the EDR file as input and a destination coverage directory. The tool reconstructs the coverage with all features and attributes for use in modern ArcGIS workflows after conversion to feature classes. Next, converting in QGIS. While QGIS lacks direct EDR support use, intermediate conversion through ArcGIS to shapefile or geopackage, format, then load into QGIS. Alternatively, use GDAL OGR command line tools, which support some ESRI legacy formats, with the OGR utility for batch conversion of EDR files to modern interoperable spatial formats. Finally, modernizing GIS data. After importing convert coverages to feature classes in geodatabase format, using ArcGIS Pro's Coverage to Geodatabase tool. This modernizes the data for current GIS workflows, preserving attributes, geometry, and basic relationships, while enabling editing in current ESRI software and improved performance for analysis and cartographic operations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.